How to add simple subtitle in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how to add simple subtitle in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. So first you have to open any project on your PC in the Capcut app, and then you have to just import it by clicking this plus sign and add it to the track. Once you add it to the track, just select the video and then choose text. Now click this plus sign and then you can just add the text that you want over here. I'm just going to add a demo subtitle, so let's write subtitle over here, and then you can just readjust the size over here and bring it down to the subtitle place. And now you can choose the font of your choice over here for the subtitle that you want. I'm going to go with this Arial over here. And now you can just move it a little bit downwards, and then you can just resize it by clicking over here. And once you just move the size a little bit down, now you can just add a background by scrolling down until you see the option of background and enable it. And now you can just choose the color for your background, and that's how you do it. Just keep adding the subtitles for each segment that you want, and that's how you add simple subtitle in Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.